Well, 29th of December, it'll soon be another year, and time for another dose of aquaflavin. There we go. I put half a dose in the pond. I'm putting 100 ml in, and I'll spread that around the pond. I like to put it in via the filter system. That way I know it's going in basically to the bottom of the pond and working its way up. It has certainly cured my sick fish, the one that had all of its scales sticking up and its body was red and it had bloating eyes. And most people were saying that it's a bladder infection or something like that, and it possibly won't be cured. But I found that aquaflavin has done the job. It has literally, in the space of 2 weeks, brought the fish back to normal. So I'm going to keep this up. I was putting in 100 ml every 3 days, and I did that for 2 weeks. And now I've gone to doing 100 ml once every 2 weeks, just to keep it up. And it seems to be working fine. In fact, it's worked so good that I'm going to buy another bottle of this as a spare to come in useful when I've used this bottle, because the price is bound to go up come the summer, and it's so good. I can't say how good I find it. So we'll put that in the pond today and we'll see what the fish are looking like. Well, so there we are, it's put into the water, put into the filter system should I say, and it's coming into the pond now. Can't see any adverse reactions to the fish. As I say, they're used to it by now. It's several weeks I've been using this now. It's not harmful to the fish really. Not unless you really overdose, and I should think it would be. But I'm only putting about half the strength in. I found it's one of the best antiseptics that I've used. You don't have to wait for it to dissolve in the water like some antiseptics. Dissolves in the water straight away, comes into the pond, and the fish get the full effect of it from the moment it enters the pond. And the fish that was sick is doing quite well. In fact, it's almost healed now. There we go. Scales are back down. The Popeye eyes have gone back in. So it's fine. I need to turn the skimmer on now because there's some food floating on the top. I put some in yesterday for them. Some sinking food. And some of it has come to float on top of the surface, so that needs to be taken off. But the water's clear, the fish are fine, and the medication's in. So I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed.